Hey guys, welcome. And in today's video, we're going to pair the Zeblaze BTalk 3 GPS watch. That's the 2025 model right here from Zeblaze. So basically, once you see the QR code for pairing, you can just open the Play Store app and install the Fit Being application. Once it's installed, you can open it up and you can click on over here on top the watches and the plus button. I have a previous watch that I have added. Now we are going to add this one with the BTalk 3 by clicking on the plus icon, and there you have it. You can see the BTalk 3 watch can be seen. You can just click on it. It's connecting and it's asking for a code, so you can just enter the code, and that's all successfully paired. You can just add the details here, yeah, and give the access for contacts and call history. So if anybody can call on your phone, you can see your contact details on your watch. So this is the BTalk 3 watch. If you guys are interested in unboxing video of this watch, check my channel, and hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, leave a like, and catch you guys in the next one.